Hi, this is just a very short video covering some queries on Unit 3. Now Unit 3, we're looking here at question 1. This is under 3.3 and under the assignment. Question 1 asks us to use the help function to find information about the start menu. This has changed quite a lot in Windows 10 versus earlier versions like XP, where you'd actually see the word start. This is your start menu in Windows 10. This little pane here. So to use the help function, what you'll have to do is just go here, which is the search box. Type in help. It brings up this app, which is here. Okay, we're just going to click on that. Okay, it'll just take a little bit because this is linked to the internet. So how can we help you? So the question is, we'll just type start menu. Okay, now you have to select your product. Your product is Windows. We'll select your issue, which would be, I suppose, start menu is setting up. And there it is, pops up. And then all you do is left click. And what does it say? Copy the first line of the text into a Word document. So I guess that would be that. Now, what you can also do, should you wish, is you could just hit print screen and just save a print screen of that image, and that would be perfectly fine as well. Okay, so again, this is just a little bit quite different actually to earlier versions of Windows. This is Windows 10 that I'm using. Okay, so question 3 is, we'll just close that. Question 3 asks us, go into that app again. It's here. Question 3 asks us to describe how to select another printer as a default printer from an installed printer list. Okay, so this time we'll just type how to select another printer from an installed as a default printer. Okay, hang on. Okay, so we just click next. Your product is Windows. Your issue is devices and drivers. Okay, and there we go. Right, okay, what are our options here? How do you select which printer to use? You can choose whichever is the best one here. So which one I would say just work through some of these questions, and that's probably the best one. One of the big improvements in Windows 10 are these things. If you've got a question about your computer, you can do this, you can do this, this, or this. I've got a Lenovo computer. So it really does encourage you to engage with Microsoft to get the answers that you need. So for that one, I would use this one is probably the best one to use, or this one. It doesn't really matter as long as it answers the question. Okay, so hope that is useful for you. Okay, best of luck.